Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we're gonna hike Mist Trail to Rheannon, Nevada Falls, and it's about 6:30. Got up super early again because it's pretty hot this time of year. It's about mid-June, so gotta get it done early. Try and miss the crazy crowds, and yeah. So how long is the hike?
7.3 miles.
7.3 miles and like 2,200 feet of elevation gain or something along those lines. Anyways, if you want to see this trail, let's do it. I create weekly videos about hiking, kayaking, and exploring the national parks, as well as other awesome excursions. I hope to make it easier for you to plan your next trip and inspire you to say yes to new adventures. Going up and up and up and up. This trail is incredible. Yeah. It is very crowded even though it's early, but it's totally worth it. And we're headed to the top of that guy.
And we're being sprayed and it feels so good.
The mist on a hot summer day. Delicious. Just delicious. Stairs on stairs on stairs. Really cool trail. Take lots of breaks, drink lots of water, one step at a time. Victory! So just in case there was any confusion, Mist Trail takes you to the top of Vernal Falls. From the top of Vernal Falls, you can hike on to Nevada Falls, which is what we're going to be doing right now. And I can't wait to eat my sandwich when I get there. Me too. Nevada Falls. It's lunchtime. So we just met this nice lady who's hiking Half Dome today. She said it's possible that we could get permits to hike Half Dome, as they say some for people that are in the park. So I applied. As you can see, Kelly's over there applying. Hopefully we'll get the permits for Half Dome on Monday, and maybe we'll be able to do that. It's a bucket list item for me, so super excited to see if we'll be able to do it or not. Unfortunately, we were unable to secure a day permit to hike Half Dome before we had to leave the park. Down and down and down we go. If you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe. It is much appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious. Cheers.